Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm Explore with Nenye, and in this video today I'll be talking about the University of Calabria in Italy fully funded scholarships to international students for 2025/2026 academic year. The call for application is now open and the deadline to apply is on the 10th of April 2025. The university will award 132 scholarships to foreign students enrolled to the 11th International Master Degree program, okay, entirely taught in English, and the scholarship will cover your tuition fees, full tuition fees, okay, and winners also benefit from free services such as board and lodging, that's your accommodation and feeding, and you also get a stipend of 3,600 euros for your living expenses. Okay, so let's see the call for applications. You will click here to see the call for applications. So this is the call for applications for non-EU students, that's international students. You scroll down here to see the names of the degree courses, and the university will be awarding 10 scholarships each to students in need, and two scholarships to students not in need, and 8 for fee-paying students. So the total available slot is 20 slots, all right? And these are the courses that are taught in English that is eligible to receive this scholarship. Then you scroll down here and click on this website to see the admission requirements for international students. While waiting for that to load up, you can also come here to see how to apply and the deadline. This is where you will complete the application process when you're ready with all your documents, okay? And as a candidate applying to this university, you will have to indicate in your application that you are competing for the slots for students in need or for those for students not in need. The application fee is just 10 euros. This application fee is quite cheap compared to other application fees in other countries. If you're competing for the slots for students in need, you have to declare your family income of less than this, okay? You declare 26,500 if you are still independent of your original household, and you declare 41,500 euros if you belong to a 2-member household, and you declare 54,000 euros if you belong to a household of 3 or more members. This is your collective household income, okay? Then to compete for slots for students not in need, you must declare a family income higher than 26,500 euros if you are still independent of your original household, 41,500 if you belong to a 2-member household, and 54,000 euros if you belong to a household of 3 or more members. If there's anything you don't understand, you can ask me in the comments section, okay? And this is the deadline to apply at this time, Italian time, okay? So make sure you submit your applications on time. And if you're a candidate with a fee for students not in need, you'll be paying 1,000 euros, okay? For the scholarship for students in need, it will be awarded to winning applicants only if they meet the family income requirement. So make sure that you meet the income requirement for students in need before submitting your application or before declaring that, because you will be providing documents or documentations to back up your claim, okay? All right, remember we have clicked on this earlier to see the degree courses and the requirements. It's now opened up, so let's go to that and see. So this is the page for the 11 international master degrees entirely taught in the English language for the 2025/26 academic year. Okay, they have 11 of them: artificial intelligence and computer science. They have 15 slots reserved for international students for this academic year. They have environmental and territorial safety engineering. They have 30 slots reserved. And there is robotics and automation engineering. They have 20 slots reserved for international students. Telecommunication engineering, they have 20 slots. Health biotechnology, 20 slots for international students. Nutritional sciences, 20 slots. Chemistry, 30 slots. Mathematics, 30 slots. Physics, 20 slots. Finance and insurance, 20 slots. Now let's choose one of the courses and see the requirements and how to apply. Remember, this is an example, okay, for you to follow. Use this as a guide. When you come to this website, you choose your own. I'll be dropping the link in the description box. So you choose your own field of study and read up, okay? Now this is the website for artificial intelligence and computer science. You can scroll down. This is some other things you can read up on, how you can enroll, and the rest of that. The number of seats available is 95. Language is English. Duration is 2 years. And you can scroll down as well. You can see fees, contributions, and exemptions. You click here to see more on the fee exemptions. All right. And for scholarships for this field of study, you can see that here as well, and the rest. Okay, this is the contact details. If you have any information, you can contact any of these numbers or the email addresses listed here. You can as well come here to see who is eligible for this course. If you're coming for your own program, also do this as well. And this is information on who is eligible for this particular program: computer science, information engineering, mathematics, and the rest of that. And you click on this to see how to enroll. Now, for you to see the required documents, you click on this how to apply to master's degrees, and it will bring you to this page. You scroll down, you also see some other information that we have already seen earlier here. You'll be needing your international passport, your curriculum vitae, your bachelor's degree, that's your bachelor's certificate, university transcript of records, university syllabus of all courses. This is now the syllabus of all the courses that you undertook in your previous studies. That's your bachelor's degree. So you can prepare that document as well and submit it. Italian language certificate, that's if you are in possession of it. English language certificate, that is if you are in possession, and other useful documents. For this application, we didn't see anywhere where they made mention of reference letters or statements of purpose. So you can submit your application without your reference letter and without statement of purpose, okay? And this is how you scroll down to see how you can apply for the admission call. You first of all come here to register, and you access the portal, then select your chosen degree course, and you must also select the competition call for extra EU students. These are the things that we have mentioned earlier, the deadlines and other things that you can get from here. You can also come here to see the frequently asked questions, which I will always advise you to do, alright? You can contact the University of Calabria here if none of your questions were answered here, okay? Now, for you to submit your application, you will click on this portal. When it brings you here, you click on menu and then click on registration. Always remember to change or translate this to English, okay? Then you click on registration and it will bring you here. And when it brings you here, you scroll down and click on this web registration. Always remember to translate to the English language, okay? And you fill in your name, fill in your family name as well. Then choose your date of birth from here. Then you choose your gender from here, and then for your nationality, you click on this drop down menu and you scroll down and choose your nationality, okay? You choose your country from this drop down menu as well. When you choose your country and you see that your city is not listed, you fill it in manually, all right? For the Italian tax code, even if you don't have it, it will automatically generate one for you, all right? Then when you're done with this section, you click on forward. So when you click on forward, it will generate an automatic tax code for you. You can copy this and keep it safe somewhere. Then you click on forward. This is where you now fill in your permanent address, okay? You still choose your country from here. Okay, Nigeria. The town entered was not found among those listed. So you fill your town manually, alright? If you are in Italy, you enter your zip code, but if you're not, you can leave it. Here you fill in your locality. Then here you fill in your address. You come here and fill in your street number. Then the permanent address start date is an important field, so you will have to fill it in. Your telephone number with your country code, alright? You scroll down and you're going to choose yes or no if the current address you provided is the same as your permanent address, okay? Then you click on forward. When it brings you here, you fill in your email address. The international dialing code, you fill it here, your country code, and your mobile number, you fill it up here, okay? When you're done with your phone number, it will take all of these things for you. I agree to the handling of my personal data. Make sure you read all of it, okay? If it's not ticked for you, you tick it, but it will be automatically ticked. Notifications, you receive a notification, disclosure of personal data, SMS, you agree to receive SMS on your mobile phone, all right, about university activities. Except you don't want to receive any of these informations, then you can tick no for each of them, okay? But for the purpose of this video, I'll be leaving it on yes. Then you click on forward. In the fourth section, it will ask you to create your own password. These are instructions on how you can create a strong password, okay? When you click on create password, it will ask you to choose your own or use the strong password that has been provided for you here, all right? And for the purpose of this video, I'll be choosing this and click on forward when you're done with that. And this is now your registration summary. The step 5 is your registration summary. It will bring out all the information that you have entered in case you made any mistakes, so you can go back and correct it. And when you have confirmed everything is correct, you click on confirm, okay? And when you click on confirm, it will tell you that the registration has been completed, okay? Your login details will be sent to your email address. This is your password, your username. Before you click on confirm, it will ask you to choose a username. And if you don't choose it, it will generate one automatically for you, all right? This is now your login details, and these login details will be sent to your email, okay? Then when you're done with all of that, you click on login. When you come to this page, you fill in your username and your password, and you click on this, accept. When it brings you to this page, you click on menu and you click on registrar's office and you click on admission test. Then you click on this. When it brings you here, you'll be able to choose your course. Please choose the degree course you wish to apply for, all right? And you must have graduated after this date. If you're coming for your bachelor's degree, in case you're applying for your bachelor's degree, 3 years first cycle degree. First cycle degree program is bachelor's degree. Second cycle degree program is master's degree, okay, in Italy. But for the purpose of this video, it's a 2 years master's degree course, all right? You select this from here and you click on forward. And from here, you can choose the course that you are applying for. You're coming for English Touch program, so you're going to look for that and tick on it. You click on this one. This is an example, all right? When you've ticked your course, you scroll down and click on forward. This is for special education needs and disability support. So if you have any special education need, you choose yes, but if not, you leave it on no and continue. Click forward to continue. And this is where you'll be able to check the information that you have submitted previously, all right? Make sure you also read up on how you can pay the 10 euros application fee. There is a website provided for you to do that, all right? When you're done with that, you click on confirm and continue. If you ticked yes for the disability or specific learning disability, you click here to upload the documents to back it up, all right? If not, you continue. And these are the documents or qualifications that this course requires, all right? For your own course, it will also bring it out for you. Your passport first page, we've seen this earlier, all right? So you will upload all of these documents, okay? And you scroll down, you tick yes that you would like to attach all of these documents, okay? And you click on forward. And this is where you'll be able to upload your qualification for evaluation statements. You click on this drop-down menu to choose the type of document you want to upload. Click if it's passport, your curriculum vitae, your bachelor's degree, okay? You choose on each of these depending on what you want to submit. For example, you want to submit your passport. You choose this, and here you just type in your passport bio page, all right? Or passport first page. You describe it here, and then you click on file selection to select it from your computer, okay? It has now uploaded. You click on forward to upload other documents as well. You continue this process. If you would like to attach any other qualification, you click yes and choose this. You choose the document type from here, bachelor's degree. Choose the qualification from here, Bachelor of Science degree. Describe it here. Click here to choose the selection. When you're done uploading this, you click on forward. Alright? When you're done uploading all of these documents, everything you have uploaded will appear here. And then when it will ask you again if you want to upload any other qualification or documents, you click no and continue. This is now where you will confirm the documents that you have uploaded and click forward as well. It will bring out a questionnaire survey for you to fill in. You click on this to fill that in. Alright? This is now your passport identity card number, where you fill in the number on your international passport or your identity card number. You fill in the document type, the issuing country, the expiration date, the issuing authority. Okay? Then you click on continue. This is your secondary school duration. You fill that up here. High school minimum passing score, preferable in numerical system. This minimum passing score is the cutoff mark of your secondary school or your high school. Alright, and for high school maximum passing score, you can fill it here. Check for your country and fill that up accordingly. Okay, then this is where you fill up your obtained score, what you obtained. Alright, and you continue. This is where you fill up your language skills. If you don't have an Italian language, you can choose this none, and for English language level, you have to choose B2. Okay, you scroll down and click on continue. Then here as well, you do same for your bachelor's degree. The minimum passing score, you can go with 50, maximum score 100, but check for your own country and for your own university, all right, to be able to fill it accordingly. And what you obtain, you fill it here. Your study area, what you studied in your previous education, you fill that here. Okay, total exams taken in relation to the chosen study area, you check that from your transcript. And total exam taken in mathematics. For this field of study I chose, it needs mathematics. Alright, so you can click here for and continue. You check, this is a sample. Alright, this is an example. Then if you have a master's degree, you choose that from here. Your minimum passing score, maximum passing score. If you're coming for a master's degree and you don't have any master's degree, you can leave this open and click on continue. Then for PhD degree, if available, if you don't have that, you scroll down and click on continue. But if you have it, you can fill it as well. If you have another master's and you want to come for another master's, you can also fill that as well. And this is the international agreement between the University of Calabria and home institution. If the University of Calabria and your home institution has an agreement, you choose yes. Okay, you tick yes. But if not, you choose no. If your answer is yes, you describe the agreement details here. All right, and you click on continue. Now this is where you will choose your family income status. All right, if it's lower than this, you tick here. If it's lower than this amount, you tick here. If it's higher than this amount, tick as well. We saw that earlier, all right, in the requirements section. You're coming for students in need-based or student not in need. All right, so you choose, you tick one and you click on continue. And this is where you confirm all the information that you have provided. Then you check all the information that you have provided to confirm everything and scroll down to also confirm more. All right, if you want to modify the page, you click here to do that. Okay, then you click on confirm if you're sure that all of these documents are complete and correct. You click on confirm. All right, the process is a bit lengthy, but it's doable. All right, on this page we didn't see anywhere you can pay the application fee. We saw on the previous website where you can pay the application fee. Let's see. Okay, this is the website. Okay, so when you access this call for application, you will save this website where you can pay your application fee. All right, it's not that hard, it's very simple, even though it's lengthy. All right, and this is it for this video today. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. Thank you for all of your support. If you are new to this channel, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video.